This lesson is on the volume of boxes and cubes. I'd like to begin by refreshing your memory on perimeter and area. The perimeter of a rectangle or square is the sum of the lengths of each side. It is the measurement of the outline of the rectangle or the square. So sum means addition. So you add the lengths of all of the sides to find the perimeter or the length of the outline. Perimeter is one-dimensional. For example, inches, yards, miles, centimeters, meters, kilometers. The units are to the first power. The area of a rectangle or a square is the product of the length and the width. Area is the space inside the outline. For a rectangle, you multiply two adjacent sides. For a square, you square the length of one side because all of the sides are the same length. So two adjacent sides, which would represent length and width, are exactly the same for a square. Area is two-dimensional. For example, inches squared, feet squared, yards squared, meters squared, centimeters squared, meters squared. The 3D version of a rectangle is a box. 3D meaning I can walk around it, I can pick it up. The 3D version of a rectangle is a box. The 3D version of a square is a cube. The volume of a box or a cube is talking about the space inside of a box or a cube. A box, for instance, a shoebox. How much space is inside the shoebox or inside a cube? That's volume. The volume of a box or a cube is the product, that means multiplication, of the length, width, and height. Volume equals length times width times height of a box. In a cube, the length, the width, and the height are the exact same amount. So you can simply cube whatever the length of one side is. Volume is three-dimensional. For example, inches cubed, feet cubed, yards cubed, millimeters cubed, centimeters cubed, meters cubed. Perimeter is the outline of a two-dimensional shape. It is one-dimensional. Perimeter is one-dimensional. It's just the outline of a two-dimensional shape. The area is two-dimensional. Area is the space inside the outline of a two-dimensional shape. Volume is the space inside a three-dimensional shape. Let's look at the examples. Here I have a rectangle. The length is 9 centimeters, the width is 4 centimeters, and the height is 3 centimeters. Volume is length times width times height. So volume is 9 centimeters times 4 centimeters times 3 centimeters. 9 times 4 is 36, times 3 is 108. Centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is centimeters cubed. That's the space inside the box. Now let's look at this cube. It's a cube because all sides are the same length. Volume is the length of one side cubed. So the length of the side is 4 inches. Every side has that length. So the length, the width, and the height in a cube are all the same, 4 inches. So it's 4 inches cubed. 4 cubed is 64. 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Inches cubed, cubic inches. You can say it either way. I hope this lesson was helpful. Please leave a comment. Your comments help me improve the quality of these videos. Have a great day. No more math blues.